Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 7th of February, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 7th of February, 2025, our system has categorized Apple as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.65. Now, let's examine the stock's performance over this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently reflects a loss of 0.00% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. The stock is currently situated at the lower end of a broad and horizontal trend in the short term. This typically presents a favorable buying opportunity. However, if it breaks below the bottom trend line at $222.78, it would signal a strong sell and indicate a potential shift in trend. Analyzing the 3-month trend, it indicates a possible change of approximately 0.245% over the upcoming 3 months, with potential returns ranging from negative 1.85% to positive 14.24%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it forecasts a change of about 42.24% over the next year, with possible returns between 41.25% and 67.49%. This suggests a price range of $321.41 to $381.10 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Apple includes the headline, Apple stock upgraded from sell candidate to hold accumulate after Friday trading session. The Apple stock price declined by 2.44% on the last day, which was Friday, the 7th of February, 2025, falling from $233.22 to $227.54. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.94%, with a low of $227.31 and a high of $234. The price has shown volatility during this period, with a total gain of 2.14% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume increased on the last day by 8 million shares, despite the falling prices. This could signal an early warning, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 37 million shares were exchanged, amounting to approximately $8.4 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the stock was $260.09, while the lowest price was $164.08. Currently, the price is 12.51%, or $32.55, below the 52-week high of $260.09, which also stands as the all-time high for the stock. Today, Apple is making headlines with significant market implications. A notable piece of news reports a double-long butterfly option strategy, which suggests a potential profit of $863. This strategy might attract options traders, enhancing short-term trading activity and possibly affecting stock volatility. In a governance development, Institutional Shareholder Services has advised investors to vote against a proposal aimed at abolishing Apple's diversity, equity, and inclusion policies. A vote in favor of maintaining these initiatives could bolster investor sentiment and enhance Apple's reputation among socially conscious stakeholders, potentially providing support for the stock price over the long term. On a more concerning note, reports indicate that the United Kingdom government has ordered Apple to create a backdoor for accessing encrypted iCloud data. This raises privacy and security concerns that could affect consumer trust and public perception, posing risks to Apple's brand and long-term customer loyalty. Moreover, contrary opinions on stock ownership are circulating, as some experts suggest it might be time to sell Apple stock. This perspective, if adopted by a significant number of investors, may create downward pressure on the stock price. Lastly, the broader market context remains essential. Recent earnings struggles from Apple's suppliers, like Skyworks Solutions, hint at potential challenges in Apple's supply chain and revenue forecasts, which could impact investor confidence in the short term. Overall, these developments could create mixed effects on Apple's stock price, highlighting the importance of close monitoring in this volatile landscape. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 31st of January, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned Apple Inc. a buy rating with a hold action. On the same day, it was reported that Morgan Stanley rated Apple Inc. as overweight with a hold action. Also, on that day, KeyBank assigned Apple Inc. a underweight rating with a hold action. Additionally, Maxim Group rated Apple Inc. as a buy with an initiate action. Earlier, on Wednesday, the 29th of January, 2025, Oppenheimer assigned Apple Inc. a perform rating with a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned Apple stock a general buy rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio a sell and the price-to-book ratio a strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Apple. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 21st of January, 2025, and so far it has risen by 2.2%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is identified. Additionally, a buy signal is present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been noted, which may influence the near-term development. The Apple stock is currently showing sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the stock. There is also a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two indicators, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance may be encountered at $232.52 and $239.49. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. It is worth noting that volume increased while prices fell yesterday. This could serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots have shown a buy signal 2 weeks ago. Bollinger Bands also indicated a buy signal 2 weeks ago. The short-term moving average signaled to sell 6 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 3 weeks ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages has given a buy signal 3 weeks ago. Reviewing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average provided a buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages generated a buy signal 5 days ago. For more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple currently finds support from accumulated volume at $224.23. This level may present a buying opportunity, as we can expect an upward reaction when this support is tested. This stock typically trades with a healthy volume, and given the minor daily fluctuations, the risk is viewed as low. Over the past day, the stock experienced a movement of $6.69, representing a 2.94% change between its high and low. In the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 2.38%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Apple, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of the year 2025 is expected on the 1st of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.61. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $229.86. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Apple encounters its first support level at $224.23. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from multiple analyst sources is buy. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 1st of February, 2025, Susan Wagner conducted an insider purchase of 1,516 shares of common stock. On the same day, Susan Wagner also conducted an insider sale of 1,516 shares of restricted stock units. On the 1st of February, 2025, Ronald D. Sugar conducted an insider purchase of 1,516 shares of common stock. On that same day, Ronald D. Sugar conducted an insider sale of 1,516 shares of restricted stock units. On the 1st of February, 2025, Monica C. Lozano conducted an insider purchase of 1,516 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 26.265. Overall, insiders purchased 1,796,930 shares and sold 3,087,233 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $216.77, which reflects a decrease of 4.73%. This stock exhibits low daily movements, contributing to a reduced risk profile. Additionally, there is a buy signal emerging from a pivot bottom identified 13 days ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? Apple presents several negative signals, indicating it might be a sell candidate. However, given the potential for a turnaround, it could also be viewed as a hold candidate or an option to accumulate in this position while awaiting further developments. We have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation, upgrading it from a sell to a hold or accumulate candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 10th of February, we anticipate that Apple will open up by $2.08 and begin trading at $229.62. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor prior to purchasing or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not solely rely on this is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.